Hello everyone, welcome back to Basics of Mechanical Engineering 3, Week 3 answers in NPTEL. In previous video lecture we discussed about Week 1 answers. In this video lecture we are going to discuss Week 3 answers in NPTEL. Let us see the question number 1. Thermodynamic work is considered positive when done by the system and negative when done on the system. Option A true, option B false. The correct answer is option A true. Let us see the explanation. The direction of the energy transfer matters. If the system does work on the surroundings such as expanding or expansion a gas to push a piston, this is considered positive work. If the surroundings do work on the system such as compressing a gas or compression, the work is considered negative. You can see this image. Here system is works on the surroundings, that is called positive work. If the surroundings works on the system, that is called negative work. So the correct answer is option A true. Question number 2. The latent heat of sublimation refers to option A change from solid to liquid, option B change from liquid to gas, option C change from solid to gas, option D change from gas to liquid. The correct answer is option C change from solid to liquid, solid to gas. Let us see the explanation. The latent heat of sublimation is the amount of energy, that means heat required to change a substance directly from a solid to a gaseous state without passing through the liquid phase. It is the heat absorbed or released during this phase transition at a constant temperature. So the correct answer is option C change from solid to gas. Question number 3. The enthalpy of an ideal gas depends majorly on dash. Option A pressure, option B temperature, option C volume, option D all of these. The correct answer is option B temperature. Let us see the explanation. For an ideal gas, the internal energy and therefore enthalpy is solely determined by the kinetic energy of its molecules, which is directly related to its temperature. Since there are no intermolecular forces in an ideal gas, pressure and volume do not influence the kinetic energy of the molecules and consequently their enthalpy. So the correct answer is option B temperature. Question number 4. The SFEE for a boiler is given by option A Q equal to M into U2 minus U1, option B Q equal to M into U1 minus U2, option C Q equal to M into H2 minus H1, option D Q equal to M into H1 minus H2. The correct answer is option C Q equal to M into H2 minus H1. Let us see the explanation. For a boiler, work is 0 and kinetic energy also 0 and potential energy also equals 0. And using these conditions, steady flow energy equation, that means SFEE Q equal to M into H2 minus H1. So the correct answer is option C Q equal to M into H2 minus H1. Question number 5. The SI unit of entropy is option A joule per mole, option B joule per Kelvin, option C kilojoule per kg, option D joule per second. The correct answer is option B joule per Kelvin. Let us see the explanation. The SI unit for entropy is joules per Kelvin. This unit arises because entropy is a measure of heat absorbed by the system divided by its absolute temperature. So the correct answer is option B, joule per Kelvin. Question number 6. Heat cannot flow spontaneously from a colder body to a hotter one was stated in option A, Kelvin Planck statement, option B, Clausius statement, option C, first law of thermodynamics, option D, none of these. The correct answer is option B, Clausius statement. Let us see the explanation. You can see this image. The Clausius statement is a fundamental principle of thermodynamics formulated by Rudolf Clausius that states it is impossible to construct a device that operating in a cycle produces no effect other than the transfer of heat from a colder to a hotter body. You can see this image. Always heat transfer from hot reservoir to cold reservoir. It cannot transfer from cold reservoir to hot reservoir. So the correct answer is option B, Clausius statement. Question number 7. Entropy generation refers to dash. Option A, irreversible increase in entropy. Option B, reversible decrease in enthalpy. Option C, irreversible increase in enthalpy. Option D, reversible increase in entropy. The correct answer is option A, irreversible increase in entropy. Let us see the explanation. The second law of thermodynamics states that the total entropy of an isolated system can never decrease and it always increases in irreversible process. Here, irreversible process means it is a process that cannot be reversed back to its initial state without leaving a trace on the surroundings. The correct answer is option A, irreversible increase in entropy. Question number 8. Which of the following processes does not occur in the Carnot cycle? Option A, isobaric expansion. Option B, isobaric compression. Option C, isochoric expansion. Option D, none of these. The correct answer is option D, none of these. Let us see the explanation. You can see the PV and TS diagram. Here 1 to 2 process is isothermal expansion. 2 to 3 the adiabatic expansion. 3 to 4 process is isothermal compression. 4 to 1 is adiabatic compression. So uh, these three are not process of Carnot cycle. So the correct answer is option D, none of these. So here A, B, C are correct answers because not occur in the Carnot cycle. These are not occur. So the correct answer is option D, none of these. Question number 9. The third law of thermodynamics states that as the temperature of an amorphous substance approaches zero, the entropy also reaches zero as well. Option A true, option B false. The correct answer is option B false. Let us see the explanation. The third law of thermodynamics states that the entropy of a perfect crystal approaches zero as the temperature approaches absolute zero. That means 0 Kelvin. Not an amorphous substance because amorphous means non-crystalline substance typically retain some degree of disorder and residual entropy even at very low temperatures, meaning their entropy does not reach exactly zero at absolute zero. So the correct answer is option B false. Question number 10. Exergy is defined as option A total energy of the system, option B energy that is destroyed during a process, option C maximum useful work obtainable as the system comes into equilibrium with the environment, option D internal energy of the system. The correct answer is option C. Maximum useful work obtainable as the system comes into equilibrium with the environment. Let us see the explanation. Exergy is defined as the maximum useful work that can be extracted from a system or a flow of energy or matter as it comes to equilibrium with a reference environment. It represents the potential of a system to produce work, and it's not a conserved quantity like energy. Instead, it can be destroyed due to irreversibilities in real processes. So the correct answer is option C. Maximum useful work obtainable as the system comes into equilibrium with the environment. In the next video lecture, we will discussing about week 3 answers of basics of mechanical engineering 3 in NPTEL course. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel for more updates, and also share to your friends.